After your kombucha has finished fermenting, you are ready to keg. Begin by attaching a siphon hose to the end of your ball valve. With a cleaned and sanitized keg, remove the lid and begin the transfer of kombucha from your fermenter to your keg. Remove the airlock and the lid from the fermenter. If you added fruit to the fermenter, you will notice that the kombucha stripped much of the color from the fruit. Open the ball valve and begin the transfer of kombucha from your fermenter into your keg. Once the transfer is complete, put the lid back on the keg. Attach your gas line to the gas in post on the keg. We recommend pulling the pressure relief valve a couple times to purge any oxygen out of the keg that may still be in there. Then attach the liquid line to your keg and you're ready to go. Note that with any carbonated beverage, it takes time for the CO2 to absorb into the liquid. It can take up to a few days for this to happen. To help speed up the process, make sure your keg is kept at refrigerated temperatures, and you can also increase the pressure on your CO2 regulator during the charging process. When serving, you want to set the regulator to around 8 to 10 psi. You're now ready to enjoy fresh kombucha on draft.